we're making a milk jug planter. First, you want a milk jug or a water jug, scissors. Make sure that you have an adult when you use them. Grab a plant or seeds. I grabbed green beans and chives. Grab something to poke a hole at the bottom. Be careful with this. Grab Sharpies, paints, or markers. Anything will do, just as long as you can decorate. Some soil that's healthy, if you can find it. A dog. Just joking. Don't use a dog. Put the dog away. After you grab everything, make sure you put dotted lines around where you're going to cut. With the help of an adult, cut around those lines. Be careful. After you're done cutting, decorate however you want with paint or markers. I use just a regular black permanent marker and color it away. Then with the help of an adult, poke holes at the bottom. 8 or 9 will do. Then fill with dirt. Again, healthy dirt that's dark in color. Then you want to add your seeds. These are the green beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just kind of poke them into the dirt. After you have your seeds planted, make sure you water everything. There's also a piggy one. You can make one however you feel more comfortable. There's 2 different types. Have fun with this, you guys. Happy growing.
Gotta clear nature and give it more soil. So leave a like on this video.